Subscribe to Munish Yoga and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, Namaste, Xin Chao, Master Munish here, and today I want to tell you some tips about office job people. Nowadays, I saw many people who work in the office, the computer, you can say, computer, 8 hour, 10 hour. They have the shoulder round and the eyes affected because of the shape. They work like that. I can show you. Sometimes computer up down, this thing, that thing. So day by day, they get very stiffness in the shoulder, cervical muscles, and a lot of other problems. So today I share with you some exercise of yoga, very easy, and you can do anytime in the office with a sitting chair. You don't need to change the dress even. When you have free time in the office, 2 to 5 minutes, you can do. Or during your break time, you can do. I'm sure you feel better and good energy and relax. Today I will share with you about that thing. Yes. So the first stretching, you can sit the chair straightly, interlock fingers, then go stretch with breathing in. You have to deep stretch. Out. In. Out. I can show you side angle also. In. So remember the spine should be straight. Don't curve. You should keep it straight inside and stretch down. Out. If you do breathing, it's very beneficial. In. Out. In. Out. In. And stay here. Look up the ceiling for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Keep your arms on the knees, then stretch your neck. 1, right, left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Center. Now use the thumb to stretch up. In. Up. Center. In. Up. Center. In. Up. Center. In. Up. Center. In. Out. Center. In. Stay 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. It's a basic stretch, After that, we come to the arms and the shoulder of the fingers. We used to computer so much. So you can raise arm up, thumb inside, then clench your finger. Strong. 2, 3. You can do it straight also. Where you feel comfortable, you can. 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you feel tired, you can take your relax. Take 2 to 3 times deep breathing. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. So when we do practice in the computer, our chest is squeezing, shoulder is squeezing round, so we cannot breathe much. Our lungs don't have enough breath. So how to open the chest and the lungs? Keep arms straight, front. Make spine straight, balance straight is very important. In, expand, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. 5 more times. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. So that you feel comfortable with shoulders. So the next one is keep your arms here, the knees, the shoulder up, in, 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 up. 2 more. In, up, in. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. It helps you to release the tension in the shoulder and stiffness. So going to the last one for you because we have a short time stretching. Right arm raise up and forward. Use your left arm to stretch nicely as much you can. Hold here for 3 breaths. Then use the left arm to behind to make it forward. If you grab the finger or the wrist, you can. I can show you side angle. You can see here. And try and look up or look straight. Stay here for 30 seconds if you can. Come back. Release arms. So I'm going to show you the left side, left arm, forward, stretch. Sometimes it's not easy. You can take somebody help or you can use a towel, when you can grab it. If it's too far, you can try. Ask some friend if nearby you have some friend or teacher who can help you. Stay there 30 seconds. Come back. So this is the today I shared with you about stitching for office people working in the office jobs. So the next my video coming soon, I want to share with you about the eyes because we use a lot of eyes exercise. So the eyes work in computer, in mobile 24 hours. So keep watching my videos and keep updated with the YouTube channel. I will coming soon with the next video, eyes exercise. Do not forget, and thank you so much for watching my video. See you.